In this video, I'm going to talk about four money making apps that you can use in this year 2024 to make money online. The good thing about these apps, it doesn't matter if you have a college degree or any person can do it, a grandma, a beginner. As long as you have a cell phone, you can use these apps. You can install them on your phone, you can install them on the computer. So any device you have, is it a tablet, you can install them and use these apps. I would like to welcome you on this channel. My name is Gloria, and if you've been looking for real ways to make money online, then this is the right place for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment where you are watching from. Yes, I would like to know where you're watching from. And just give this video a thumbs up if it relates with you and it has blessed you. Just don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes. Pawns app. Yes, it's called Pawns app. You can either download it on your PC, your computer, your laptop, or your phone, and you start using it. When you are signing up for the first time, you will get a $3 bonus. Yes, if you use somebody else's link to sign up, so they will reward you with a $3 bonus, and you will not start from zero. You will start from the $3 bonus, as you can see here. So there are so many ways you can earn from this and gain. Apart from sharing your internet, you can still also do paid surveys, as you can see here, and also share your internet. So if you want to sign up or log in, you just go to this bar, you sign up, you put in your information, you can create an account using Gmail, or if your device is an Apple, you can use your email. You put in your email, your password, you confirm in. The coupon is option, but if you have a referral code, then that will be easy, and that's the only way how you can be able to earn those $3 starting up. Yes, so that's how the site is. If you want to sign up, that's how you can sign up. But I already have an account, so I don't want to sign up again. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to sign up. Then you show them that you are a human being, not a robot. Then you will sign up down here, and you can also go ahead and read the terms of their use, because they are not going to take your personal information and share it outside. They'll just only collect your unused internet. As you can see, it says make passive money online by sharing your internet and completing surveys. Yes, you can either share your internet, you get paid, or completing surveys. And also another way you can earn from this honey gain is by doing referrals. You can refer other people. Yes. So if you sign through my link, you can get a $3 bonus for signing up. And you can also refer other people. You share the good news to your auntie, to your sister, you get paid. So this is how their website looks like. And these are all the places they have been featured in. Yes. So all these people, they are using this Pawns app all over the world. Yes, they say share your opinion and get paid. So this one, you share your opinion by answering surveys about fashion, cosmetics, tech, politics, and many other topics. They pay you for that. Another way you can earn from this website, make your internet connection work for you. They pay you for your internet connection. So this is how it works. Process one, you install the app on your devices you wish to use and connect them to the internet. Second, to use your connection to gather bits of information from the internet. You can check the business case, business cases to see a more detailed explanation. So if you want, you click on this box, you see a more detailed explanation right there. Then here, the step 3, you run the Pawns app, which secure shares your internet connection. No access to personal data. As you can see, as it's stated here, no access to personal data. I've been using this app and I haven't got any issues with them. Companies use this gathered bits for various services. Yes, so this is how it works, and this is how much you can earn a month. But I'll say it depends on which country you are in. Some other countries, people are getting paid more and more. So it depends on the country that you are from. Yes, like people from those top countries, they earn more than other people's, and they also have a referral program. You can also invite other people, you also get paid the commission, you become an affiliate for this app. Yes, so if you want to join and get that $3 bonus, I'll leave a link in my description below so that you can sign up through my link and you don't start from zero, you start from that $3 bonus. Yes, then the second app on our list is called Honey Gain. Yes, it's called Honey Gain. And if you are a new user, when you join through my link, you will get $2 as a startup gift. So you will not start from zero, but you have $2 to start with. How this app also works: you download it on your phone or your PC, and you get paid for the internet you are sharing. As you are working on other things, you get paid. Yes, you can also get money from this app by referring friends, but I did a video about Honey Gain, specifically showing in details more ways you can earn from Honey Gain. Yes, I did a video, and I'll link that video in the description below if you want to to learn more and more about Honey Gain. They say passive income effortlessly. Share money passively, and you can get paid up to this amount, $26. But as I said, it depends on the country you are in, and per now they are available in 150 countries. Yes, they are recognized on these websites, as you can see: Forbes, Entrepreneur, Yahoo Finance, and all of them, as you can see them there. Yes, so it depends on your internet and the country you are in. Yes, you can earn up to this amount depending where you are located. And also another way you can earn from this website, by referring other people. You can get paid also through cryptocurrency. If you are a crypto guy or a crypto girl and you want to get paid through cryptocurrency, they also have that payment option. Or if you don't want crypto and you want to use PayPal, they also have a PayPal option. As I told you, I talked about Honey Gain in one of my previous videos. The video, I'll put it in the description down below, so you can go watch it and see how it really works more and more, because they have also added other ways to earn on this and again in this year 2024. How to get started: let me show you a little how you can get started, where you can go and sign up. But as I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can get paid. Here it stated that you can earn up to $50 a month effortlessly. So if you want to join, you just go use the link in my description below. The sign up process is very easy. You just need to put in the email address and the password, as long as you have a link. And when you join through my link, you get a $2 bonus, because I'm already using this app. And you can also share the good news to another person. They also join and they get paid. Yes, so then the other app that I'm going to show you, it's called Free Cash app. Yes, you can earn in very many different ways on this app as long as you sign up. Yes, you can earn. If you can earn by signing up offers. Like if you sign up for Netflix and you try, you can earn this $5. If you want to play a game like Dice Dreams, you can also earn up to this amount. You can earn if you don't have already a TikTok account and you want to sign up, and if you sign up using this Free Cash app or website, you can earn this $2. So there are so many ways to earn from this Free Cash app. A person on an average day, they can earn up to $18 as long as you put in your time and effort. You can earn either by doing surveys, playing games, doing offers. So these are the many ways you can earn using and gain, and you can cash out using cryptocurrencies. You can cash out using PayPal. So all of these are the surveys that you can do and get paid. These are the other partners they have you can use also and get paid. And these are the all games that you can play and get paid. So it depends on you if you want to play games and get paid, or you want to answer surveys and get paid. Do you want to get paid in using cryptocurrency? So they offer, these are their payment methods: PayPal, the Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Netflix, all of these ones. You can use them and get what? And get paid. Yes, you can use them and get paid. Yes. So they have very many ways to pay you. You will not be like, how am I going to get paid money? So you can also use bank transfer if that's what you want. So free cash app is a very good app that you can download there. You can never run out of things to do on this free cash app. Yes. So if you want to sign up for the free cash app or website, I'll leave the link in my description below. They also have an affiliate program. If you want to share it with others, they can use your link, they join. I'll leave my link in the description below so that you can sign up using it. Then the second app that I'm going to talk about is called Time Bucks. Yes, Time Bucks. It's also, you can download it on your phone or you can use it on your computer. You get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. Yes, you can answer surveys and get paid. Daily bonuses, they also have daily bonuses. You start earning instantly. You can also refer other people and get paid and get paid through the referrals. They pay weekly. Yes, they pay weekly. It's not hard to sign up. You can use your email, password, and not a robot. So I'll leave the link in the description below about if you want to sign up for Time Bucks. Yes, if you want to sign up for Time Bucks, I'll leave a link in my description below. As I told you, all these apps I've shown you here, I'm using them personally. So if you've used these apps and they have paid you also, don't forget to put the comments in the comment section below. And if you want me to do a video about payment proof from these apps, you can also write it in the comment section.